We'll guide you through how to fix an Instagram story with bad video quality after uploading. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. So you've gone and uploaded a video onto your Instagram story, and now you're finding the quality is looking really bad. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this and making it look better. You may have found that you've just gone and recorded the story in the Instagram camera. So let's go and say I press the plus in the top left and then I press story. Then I press the camera and we go and record. You may have done it that way. Or alternatively, you may have already had a video in your gallery or camera roll, which you've now gone and tried to go and post, but the quality is just looking really bad. Of course, do make sure that the video is originally recorded in a high quality. If you've gone and recorded a bad quality video, that's why it's then looking bad on Instagram. But if you know that it's a good quality video and Instagram makes it go and look a lot worse and bad, we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing this. So there's actually a setting on Instagram we can go and adjust. As there's some different settings, Instagram have to go and save data and allow you to go and upload it faster at the cost of lower quality. So what you can do is we can go and adjust these settings. We're going to guide you through exactly what you need to change, and then we'll be able to upload higher quality videos. So make sure this full guide to know exactly what you need to do in order to go and do this. So to get started with this, you want to come onto your Instagram profile page. I'm already here, but all you need to do is go and press the profile button in the bottom right. You can see mine's got my actual profile icon. In some cases, it will just be a user icon. And then what we need to do is go and open up our Instagram settings. So on this page, go to the top right and press the three lines. And as you can see, settings and activity will then go and open up like so. So then from here, what we need to do is we need to go and scroll down. And we need to scroll all the way down. There's a lot of different settings here, so don't get too overwhelmed. What you need to do is come into this section, your app and media, and in here you've got the option for media quality, and you want to go and tap there. So as you can see here, first of all, we've got use less mobile data. It says using less mobile data will affect your experience on Instagram. For example, photos and videos may take longer to load, so you can switch that off. The main setting we really want to look at is upload at highest quality. So it says always upload the highest quality photos and videos, even if uploading takes longer. When this is off, we'll automatically adjust upload quality to fit network conditions. So if you've got a low or bad network condition, it's going to go and lower the quality, which we don't want. So switch that on. Now we're going to be uploading at the highest quality. What I'd like to do is just go and swipe up on Instagram and fully close it and reopen it just to make sure it's adjusted and set. And then try posting, and now hopefully the quality is much better. If you found this useful, then leave a like.